Fix Bluetooth not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, Bluetooth clear cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three lines, turn on show system apps button, click on OK. Search Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache option. And if you want to Bluetooth clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth cache will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, on off Bluetooth. Again open settings, scroll down, click on connections. Here you will see Bluetooth. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth or turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, we restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, off or on power saving option. Click on settings, scroll down, click on battery. Here you will see power saving. And if you want to turn on power saving, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off power saving, then turn off this button. By this button you can turn on or turn off power saving from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Click on settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, network settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix the Bluetooth not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.